At Royal Flair Caravans, we created this informative video to provide you with all the crucial information about our techniques, quality products, and innovative designs. Our commitment to unmatched quality ensures that you make the right choice on your caravan journey. With over 50 years of experience, we take pride in serving Australians with only the best caravans. Join us as we share insights that will help you understand why choosing Royal Flair is the perfect decision for your adventures ahead. Our state-of-the-art chassis features a robust 5mm A-frame and 3mm chassis made from 450 MPa grade steel, known for its exceptional tensile strength and high yield strength. With a minimum yield strength of 450 megapascals, this steel can withstand immense stress without deformation, making it one of the strongest options available. Meticulously engineered for Royal Flair Caravans, this chassis supports an impressive load capacity of 4,500 kilograms, ensuring exceptional strength and durability for all your adventures. We offer a variety of finish options, including Supergull, galvanized, powder-coated, and raven coating, so you can choose the best protection and style to suit your needs. Enjoy safe and reliable transportation with our top-tier chassis. Honeycomb lightweight flooring is an innovative solution designed to enhance acoustic and thermal properties while providing extra cushioning and vibration. This flooring features a honeycomb structure that not only reduces weight but also improves sound insulation, making it ideal for caravans. Overall, honeycomb lightweight flooring is a versatile choice that combines performance with comfort. Our premium solid one-piece walls, expertly designed to withstand the toughest environment. Our innovative puzzle-like joining system decreases weakness and enhances stability in the sidewalls, providing a seamless, robust structure that can withstand the rigors of harsh environments. Crafted from high-quality materials, our walls resist corrosion, moisture, and UV damage, ensuring longevity even in harsh conditions. We also offer full one-piece composite walls as an option for our caravans. This innovative feature enhances durability and insulation, providing superior strength and a more streamlined design. With these composite walls, our customers can enjoy a lightweight yet robust structure, ensuring a comfortable and reliable travel experience. Our innovative Z-section chassis design enhances the overall structure of our caravans while providing vital support to the side walls. To further bolster strength and durability, we incorporate additional reinforcement in all key areas. This meticulous engineering ensures that our caravans are not only robust but also capable of withstanding the rigors of travel. Our innovative C and C-cut design allows for precision cuts that minimize waste while significantly reducing wear and tear on traditional cutting equipment. This advanced feature ensures cleaner edges and delivers a more professional finish. Experience the difference with our cutting-edge technology that enhances both performance, durability, and sustainability. We have expertly designed the sidewalls to include integrated looms for cables. This innovative feature allows cables to run seamlessly through the walls, ensuring protection, reliability, and precision. By minimizing exposure to the elements and reducing the risk of damage, our looms enhance the overall performance of your Royal Flair caravan while maintaining a clean and streamlined appearance. We've added a tile membrane to the exterior of our marine walls, providing an extra layer of protection against the elements. This innovative feature ensures that your caravan stands the test of time, safeguarding it from moisture, UV rays, and other environmental factors. With our durable tile membrane, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your investment is well protected for years to come. Introducing our premium X-Guard coated checker plate, the toughest exterior protection available. Designed to be scratch and chip resistant, this robust material ensures your surfaces remain pristine even in the most challenging environments. With X-Guard, you can trust that your investment is safeguarded against wear and tear, providing long-lasting durability and style. Our premium German-engineered Dibond external skin features a double-coated aluminium design combined with a specialized compound rubber layer. This innovative construction provides exceptional UV protection. With a rating of 5,000 UV, it has superior insulation and ensures no color deterioration over time. With this advanced external skin, your caravan is not only stylish but also built to withstand the elements, maintaining its appearance and performance for years to come. Sealing a caravan is paramount to its longevity, and we utilize only the finest materials to ensure resistance against all elements. Our expert sealing techniques and premium materials protect your investment from moisture, UV damage, and wear. To guarantee the highest quality, we rigorously water test our products, ensuring they meet our stringent standards. With over 50 years of experience, we understand that this is one of the most crucial decisions when purchasing a caravan. Trust us to deliver quality sealing that enhances durability and performance, ensuring your caravan stands the test of time. The final fit-off of external windows, vents, and appliances is a critical stage in the production of Royal Flair caravans. Our commitment to quality craftsmanship and attention to detail ensures that every caravan is built to withstand the elements while providing comfort and style. With Royal Flair, you can embark on your adventures with confidence, knowing that your caravan is equipped with top-notch features and superior protection. At Royal Flair Caravans, the final stage of our manufacturing process is dedicated to meticulous quality control. In this critical area, we thoroughly inspect every aspect of our completed caravans to ensure they meet our high standards of craftsmanship and durability. Our commitment to quality ensures that each caravan not only meets but exceeds our customers' expectations, providing peace of mind and a superior experience on the road.